Next, we are doing second part of question number 12 in exercise 5.1. Here we have to find the values of these three unknown angles x, y and z. Now before solving the values for x, y and z, first of all we must be very clear with how many lines are given and how many rays are given. In this is a single ray given, the other two are lines. So a ray is making an angle of 25 degree with this line. Okay, let us solve this question. Here first of all you can see these two angles together are making a straight line, so they are making a linear pair, and we know that the angles in a linear pair are supplementary. So we can write here y plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree, because y and 40 degree are making a linear pair. Here it is very important to mention the reason for this equation. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So you will get the value of y as 140 degrees. Now here also you can see this 40 degree angle is vertically opposite to this angle z. The two lines are getting intersected to give you a pair of vertically opposite angles. So we can write z is equal to 40 degree. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Z and 40 degree are vertically opposite angles, so they will be equal. We have so far found the value of y and z. Now how to solve for this x? Here you can see these three angles together are making a straight line. So we can write here 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree. These three angles are making a straight line, and the sum of these angles will be exact 180 degree. Now here we will not be writing the reason as linear pair, because three angles are involved in this. We will not be writing the pair. We will be writing the reason as angles on a straight line. Which is same as the sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degree. It is very similar with the linear pair, but because now we are dealing with three angles, so we will not be writing the word linear pair. We will be solving the value of x here. X plus 65 degree is 180 degree. So 65 degree will go to the other side and will be subtracted from 180 degrees to give you the answer as 115 degrees. This is the answer. So here we have found the values of all the three unknown angles x, y and z.